Okay bantu bakwamzilikazi, sokunabantu abasikolotisa izindlu lapha koBulawayo kuthiwa iVuka Africa Ribane Housing Development. They have officially launched khona lapha koBulawayo base-NRZ building ku-9th floor suite 907. Super, go straight to the point. Okay, uyahamba khona laphana ufike ubhadale i-commitment fee eka $500, then bakufake ku-waiting list, then sewufake ku-waiting list bazokufonela sebesithi bhadala i-deposit ka-5%. So ma indlu ingu-50,000 uzokhokha i-deposit ka-5% or u-50,000 behle bekunikeza amakhiye le ndlu uhle uzihlalele khona lapho ngapho uyibhadalela kancane kancane. Awungeke uswele indlu koBulawayo kunama-opportunities anjena, uyabona. What if ungivuka ngifile ke Super? Don't worry about that. iVuka Africa is ready for all that. Ungavuka ufile, iVuka Africa ayibathatheli abantu abakho indlu or ama-beneficiaries indlu leyo. Imali leyo oyibhadalayo kuma-installments already has insured that house, okay? Ama-installments wonke ozowabhadala every month ale-life cover phakathi ukuthi ungaze uvuke ufile abantwana abathathelwa indlu sokukhavekile.